Hey, so what you see on the screen right now, Ben puts up the main homepage. There is a DS18. Oh, that's Mark's. Let's go back. Ben, can we go back? There, look at that. So listen, DS18 has been running this killer deal. Those are their new crazy loud full ranges. But check it out. You buy them, and then if you take the card or you go to the website and you register the serial numbers, I think it's after April. Yep, April 18th. They'll be pulling a winner for $5,000. Each speaker has to be registered on their website. It's like a warranty register, right? Most of y'all don't do that. But this time, if you do it, $5,000. And these XAs are actually pretty loud. They're beefy speakers. This is their 10-year anniversary. Pretty crazy because I've been with them for like 5 years. Kind of 6, but 5 for sure. And here they're giving away $5,000. So you buy the speakers from me, right? You go to Big Jeff Audio, and you can click on that banner. It'll take you to their 6-inch and 8-inch, 4-ohm and 8-ohm. There you go. And then once you get the speakers, how many you buy, you register each one. Only one person can register. If you get caught registering twice, guess what? They pick you. You lose the $5,000. Now, here's a little kicker why I'm advertising so much. Besides, I like to sell speakers, but also the team here gets like $2,500, which I can do a big giant pizza day for everybody. So, buy these new speakers. Make sure you register it. Win $5,000. Talk to you soon.